Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another recap video. In this recap video, we are going to be talking about the week from 29 of June to 4 to 3 of July. And as always, we are going to review the trades that I've been taking. It's been a very slow week. This period in time is very slow in general, so we have few trades to review. But in case you didn't see the live, and I want to remember every one of you that I'm live every single day on YouTube at 9:30 a.m. New York time. So there is a 3 to 5 hour live session where I basically show you everything what I do. So if you didn't see yet, just put a reminder because Monday I will be live again. So if you didn't see the live, let me walk you through the trade that I've taken. As I said, it's been a very slow week. So in the stocks side, we have only two trades: the 29 mRNA, yeah, Moderna, and AMAT. Okay, both of the trades were taken the 29th of June. So you already know, if you follow me on this channel, you already know what I'm looking for: a good context, a good pause, and my usual entry. And this was a break-even. Oh, okay, perfect. This was a break-even. I just decided to break-even this one because it was, moving slow. And this is what happened. It's just that way. So it failed at the end. So this is the first trade, and the second trade is the one, always, the context. I want to see a delivering market, a nice pullback, and this is the entry. And this was a break-even too. As you can see, I just put the break-even here, I moved to break-even here, and then I got tapped out. And this is the finale. As you can see, at the end, price, ended up failing. This is why I put the break-even very fast, because I know from my testing that usually when there is the momentum behind the trade, I just can put the break-even fast, and then price goes. If it comes back, it's usually a loss. So I really don't care if it taps me out to break-even and then goes, because most of the time from my testing, it's the complete opposite. So I'm really fine when I take a break-even, because, and I said it a lot of times, it saves, my equity curve. So this was a break-even. So basically we had two break-even, and then we had two trades on the Forex side, and we had Spain 34, and this was the trade. So price was, just exited from an accumulation. It just broke through the accumulation, and it was going. We had a nice pause on the EMAs, and then I got, the entry here. And this was a bit late because I forgot to track the trade, to fill the spreadsheet. And so this screenshot is a bit late, but basically this was the entry. And then this was the break-even, because this was a break-even too. And then this is what happened. As you can see, price, basically dropped. Okay, and now we have another one, US 30. The US 30 is a little bit different because you have a knot here, didn't get tapped on TradingView spread. So that means that I got tapped in because of spread in the account, in the competition account, but actually this wouldn't have been an entry. Okay, so actually I just struck this trade, but I didn't get the entry. Okay, so this was a no trade, but basically this was a trade. I got tapped in here, and then that what happened, and this is the finale. So basically price never made it through the buy stop, and then price just dropped. So actually this was a break-even week, but instead of break-even week we have one loss, so we just lost 1 hour. So it's not a bad week, it's not a good week. Overall the markets are a little bit slow, indices, stocks, and whatever are a little bit slow. So it's okay to have, you know, weeks like this one where basically you don't have trade or you have break-evens, even on the lowest time frame. Because remember, if you are on the lower time frames, you basically need to filter a lot more because there are more issues, liquidity issues, spread issues, and things so on. So even if we are on the lowers, it doesn't mean that we have tons of trades. Okay, so this is what happened this week, and please follow me for the monthly recap because I will be, you know, going through a June recap since the month, you know, it's just finished. And nothing. Thank you for being here. This was the recap. I hope you like it. I remember you, I'm live every single day at 9:30 a.m. New York time, so make sure to be there if you can, and subscribe to the channel, you know, so you don't miss the trade, and be sure to be in the Telegram group because that is the fastest way to be, you know, close to me. So if you have any question, if you want to ask me something not related to the trading, that is the better place to be in contact with me. So make sure to be there too. Okay, thank you very much guys, and we're going to see the next video.